Hi Forex traders, you're welcome back. This is the second episode of the Learn Forex Trading in 30 days, and this is the second lesson. And in today's lesson, I want to take you through how to select the best Forex broker for your trading so that you don't get to become a victim of circumstance like many traders do, simply because they don't know how to select the best Forex broker for their trading career. So first of all, I want us to look at what a Forex broker is. So like you can see on the PDF I have here, I'm just going to go through it with you guys so that you get to understand what it means. And if you want to get a copy of this PDF, I would like you to click the link on the description of this video. You either join my free Telegram community, you are going to get access to these PDF files, or you click the link and sign up for my email list and you're going to get access to this free PDF. It's actually free. Okay, so every day you're going to get access to this PDF so that you can go through them and even keep it for future use. So what is a Forex broker? A broker is a place where buying and selling actually takes place. So you buy instruments or you sell instruments such as currencies, stocks, commodities, or equities. Okay, so that's what a Forex broker does to you. Initially, when Forex trading started, you need a huge amount of money to be able to participate in the Forex industry. Okay, it used to be called spot trading, and you will need at least a minimum of about $50,000 before you can execute a trade. Okay, but with the increasing rise of technology, we have what is called a brokerage firm or brokerage firms. What these firms do is that they give you access to what is called leverage. Okay, so that with your little amount of money you can leverage on these Forex brokers so that they can create a Forex trading account for you, and then you get to engage in transactions, buying and selling of currencies. That's what a Forex broker is. So in other words, they are actually serving as middlemen between you and the market makers, or middlemen between you and the liquidity providers. You cannot have access to the liquidity providers yourself, so but when you come through a broker, you can literally do transactions because these brokers are actually connecting you with the liquidity providers. Okay, that's the summary of what a broker actually does. There are two types of brokers. Okay, you either have a dealing desk broker or a no dealing desk broker. Subsequently, you are going to learn about the differences between these dealing desk and no dealing desk brokers. Okay. Dealing desk brokers are literally called the market makers. No dealing desks are subdivided into straight through processing or electronic communication network. I know some of you who are experienced in the industry may not find what I'm teaching very useful. Okay, but some of you who are new, this is for you actually. So when you hear an ECN account, what that means is an electronic communication network account. Okay, so that's what a no dealing desk broker is. So you can see this is literally the classification of the two types of Forex brokers. Either a dealing desk, which are market makers. No dealing desks are either a standard through processing or electronic communication network plus standard through processing. This is what they literally do. I'm going to explain to you what this means. Okay, so a Forex broker that operates through dealing desks, they actually make their money through what is called spread, or by providing liquidity to their clients themselves. Okay, I need you to understand this. Spread is actually the difference between the buying and sell power of a particular currency. We are going to subsequently learn about bid and ask price. The difference between this bid and ask price is what is called spread. So brokers who charge you spread are brokers who operate through dealing desks, or brokers who provide liquidity to you themselves instead of connecting you to the liquidity providers. They are market makers. They can create the liquidity and deliver it to you. They are called dealing desk brokers. Okay, they are called dealing desk brokers. Now, I need you to understand that anytime you are buying any asset or any currency on the Forex market, there must be somebody on the opposing end who is willing to sell to you. That's why you are actually buying. Anytime you are selling, there must be somebody on the opposing end who is actually buying from you. because we are in a large world and because of the advantage of the internet and technology, the forex brokers are responsible for matching you up with opposing clients who buy from you or sell to you. Okay, so dealing desk brokers are brokers who can literally create the liquidity and deliver it to you. Instead of looking for clients to match up your orders with, they can create the liquidity and deliver it to you. So what is a no dealing desk broker? A no dealing desk broker are the opposite of a dealing desk broker. In this case, the no dealing desk brokers actually connect you to the liquidity providers. They do not match your orders with other clients. They just connect you with the liquidity providers. Okay, for doing this job, the no dealing desk broker will charge a very small commission for trading, or just put a markup by increasing the spread slightly. Okay, that's what you do. So that's why ECN accounts most times are not spread based accounts. They charge you commissions for your trades and transactions. Okay, so that's what a no dealing desk broker is. So let's look at what an STP broker is. So like I said in summary, a no dealing desk connects you directly to the liquidity providers, and they do that either through an STP system or ECN system. Okay, an STP system or ECN system. An STP broker, what they do is they connect you directly to the liquidity providers who have access to the interbank market. Now, STP brokers usually have many liquidity providers, with each provider quoting its own bid and ask price. When you hear bid price, it's the price you are willing to buy, and ask price is the price you are willing to sell. So with each of those providers quoting their bid price they are willing to buy and ask price they are willing to sell, then the broker will then decide to add a little commission to the price provided by the liquidity providers before offering it to you as the trader to trade that asset or currency. Okay, and that's that's how they earn money actually. So the other system they operate through is the ECN system. And what they do here is that they allow the orders of their clients to interact with each other participants in the currency market. And these participants could be the banks, the retail traders, hedge funds, and even other brokers. In essence, participants trade against each other by offering their best bid and ask prices, their best buying prices and selling prices. There are 6 things to consider when you want to choose a forex broker, and these things are really very crucial. If you follow through these things every time you want to select a forex broker, you are not going to become a victim of circumstance. Okay, so what's the first? The first is that you need to check the security of the brokerage firm you are going to give your money to. Okay, I need you to understand that every broker is regulated by a regulatory body. Okay, so before you go about registering with a broker and investing your money with a brokerage firm, first of all, find out which regulatory body is regulating that broker and whether they are certified to operate in your country or nation. Okay, country or state. Now you can see that the United States brokers, all brokerage firms in the United States, are regulated by National Futures Association and Commodity Futures Trading Commission. So it's either the NFA or CFTC. So if you are in the United States and you want to select a forex broker, the first thing you should do is just go to Google, search the name of the broker, and search whether they are verified and certified by this commission, the NFA or CFTC commission. Okay, if you are in the United Kingdom, Financial Conduct Authority or Prudential Regulation Authority are responsible for regulating all brokerage firms in the UK. In Australia, you will find Australian Securities and Investment Commission. They regulate all brokerage firms. Switzerland, you will find Swiss Federal Banking Commission. This is a regulatory body regulating all brokers in Swiss. Germany, you're going to find a regulatory body. In France, you're going to find a regulatory body. In Canada, you're going to find a regulatory body. So before you go about putting your money, make sure you verify that they are certified by these regulatory bodies. Okay, the second thing you're supposed to check is the transaction cost. How much do they charge you for executing a buy or sell trade? Okay, you need to know how much they are charging you, either in spread or in commission. It's very important. So make sure you know if you need a tight spread for your type of trading, and then review your available options. It's all about finding the correct balance between security and low transaction cost. For me, I will go for brokers who have tight spreads or small commissions. Okay, so make sure you check their transaction cost and pick what is best or suitable for you. Then the next is you need to check their deposit and withdrawal system and the speed of deposit and withdrawal. Some brokers, like the one I'm going to recommend on the description of this video, it's an instant deposit and withdrawal system. So you need to find out whether the broker you are working with or you want to work with have a system of deposit and withdrawal that is comfortable for your personality. Okay, then the next is trading platform. You need to know what trading platform the broker uses or the broker offers. Okay, some broker offers MT4, MT5, C Trader, web trading platform, whatever platform you need, make sure you confirm that this is the one they are offering. Then the next is speed of execution. It's totally bad to have a broker that cannot execute your orders as fast as possible within seconds. So when you start to notice that there are delays in execution of trades, it's a sign that there's a problem on the back end, and it's not really good for business. We are in a very volatile market, and we need to get in the market as at when we need to be, not when we want to be. Okay, guys? So the last is customer service. Brokers are not perfect, and therefore you must pick a broker that you can easily contact and tell your problems to when it arises. Okay, the competence of brokers when dealing with accounts or technical support issues is just as important as their performance on executing trades. So you need a broker that has a good customer service system. They need to be kind to you. This is your money we are talking about, right? So guys, these are the 6 things I want you to check and verify before you go about selecting brokers to give your money to. In the next episode, you are going to learn something very important. Guys, like I said, I want to teach you how to trade the foreign exchange market in 30 days, and I believe you can learn it. And what I'm offering to you, it's my premium paid content. All I need from you is to be patient and follow me through until the last episode of this 30 days of learning FX. If you like my video, I'd like you to click the like button, hit the subscription button, and don't forget, share this video to everyone around you that you want to learn about foreign exchange. Until next time, I wish you good luck, good trading.